The hidden settings you need to turn off right away on your Windows 11 PC computer if your privacy is your priority. By default, guys, Microsoft put on these settings and activate them so that some of your important information is shared with the company. A lot of people is using Windows 11 right away. Why this software or why this program is designed to protect you? Yes, but there are some things that your device take away from you without your permission. So if you want to put your privacy to the top notch on your Windows 11 computer, right away, guys, watch this video to the end and turn off these settings. 3-in-1 settings, so that all your activities will be safe and secure while you use your computer on Windows 11 program. Go ahead and tap on the start button here. Click on settings. Now from here, scroll up and click on privacy and security. Now that I've clicked on privacy and security, we're going to do some important things here. First of all, go ahead and click on general. Now here is what you need to do. The first one is let app show me personalized ad by using my advertiser ID. Go ahead and click and turn it off. If you allow them to use your advertiser ID, then your information will be shared with Microsoft and you start receiving ads based on your activities on your device. So you don't need this advertiser ID. You don't need this information. Turn it off. Then let website show me local relevant content by accessing my language list. Turn this one off. It's a means of selling your data. Let Windows improve stats and search results by tracking apps launch. Turn it off. They are using to collect your data. Show me suggested content in the startup app. Turn it off. Then the last one here is show me notification in the settings app. You don't need all this, guys. Turn it off. Now that I've turned this off, you are done with the first step. Now back to the security setting again. Then scroll up a bit until you have access to this button, diagnostic and feedback. Tap on it to open it. Once you open it, you have yourself with this bunch of information. The first thing you have to do is this diagnostic help to improve Windows and keep it secure, up to date and working as expected. Then this particular button is send optional diagnostics data. You don't have anything to do with this. Go ahead and tap on this button and turn it off. What this does is that it helps Microsoft Windows experience and fix problem more quickly by sending us additional diagnostic data. You don't need all this. These are way of collecting your information and send to the server. So you don't need this. Now scroll down again until you have access to the button that says tailored experience. Tap on it. Once tap on it, then toggle this button off. Let Microsoft use your diagnostic data, excluding info about websites you browse, to enhance your product experience with personalized tips and ads. You don't need all this one. Turn it off. Now come back to this button that says delete diagnostic data. Tap on it, then tap on this button to delete everything that has been stored on the platform before. You can see tap on it and delete everything. So that has been deleted. Now you are good to go. Last deleted request today. Now that I've done this, you are good to go. Now back to this button again, the real button, the real private button. The last but not the least on these settings is what is called activity history. This button, click on it. Once you click on it, you have yourself at this place. Now make sure this button is toggled off. Says jump back into what you are doing on your device by storing your activity history, including information about websites you browse and how you use apps and services. You don't need to do anything here. You don't have anything to do with this. Then go ahead and clear this button to clear the history. Clear it. Now I've cleared. You see that history have been cleared. Now with these three settings in place, your Windows 11 will stop monitor everything you do. By doing this, your privacy on your Windows 11 computer is fully secured. So if you enjoy what I've explained in this video, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, as I see you soon on my next video.